AI scenes can look good, but most workflows break when you try to keep one consistent story across the whole video.
裏通りの影に溶ける俺の足音だけが証拠誰が見た誰が消した黒い画面に残る傷
AI scenes can look good, but most workflows break when you try to keep one consistent story across the whole video.
切れた声がまだ呼ぶ裏切りなら慣れてるさでも沈黙は金じゃない白い手袋の後へと濡れた靴へと二人分コインみたいに冷たい夜吐いた言葉が刃になる
Hey everyone, I'm Mila, and today I'm excited to show you the new Canvas feature. I've noticed from the comments that some of you aren't watching the videos all the way through. I really encourage you to stick around until the end. That's where you'll get the full value of our experience and insights. This saves you credits and avoids mistakes in the long run. Don't miss these tips. It's a huge win for you. What we'll cover today: mastering the storyboard first workflow in Topview Canvas, leveraging the built-in agent to manage your scenes and assets, creating your initial storyboard and designing characters in Topview Canvas, tips on using the infinite canvas for better workflow and efficiency. So this is the main page of Topview. It's a very user-friendly platform, mostly because you can reach all the tools you need without any hassle. They're also great about keeping us updated by listing the new features right here at the top. As you're aware, today we are exploring the Canvas feature. Accessing it is simple. You can enter through the list displayed here, click the button in this section, or navigate directly via the side menu to begin. After clicking Start Creating, you enter the Infinite Canvas interface. This environment feels much more like working in Figma than a traditional video editor, which really streamlines the creative process. Furthermore, the platform integrates an AI agent directly into the interface. This agent helps you brainstorm and manage creative assets while you work, significantly enhancing your overall productivity. As this is a new feature, I'll provide a more detailed walkthrough. However, you'll find that it is exceptionally user-friendly and highly accessible, making the learning curve very smooth. Configure your global settings here and save as default. The system is pre-optimized for best performance, streamlining your workflow. While all available options are intuitive, our goal today is to create a storyboard. Simply select Text, click on the note, and choose Storyboard from the top menu to initiate your project. The core advantage of Topview Canvas is its Storyboard First AI video workflow. By designing your storyboard first, you can significantly improve the success rate of your final AI video outputs. Essentially, you have an infinite canvas workspace that allows you to create as many storyboards as needed. By linking these assets, you can easily manage and control the narrative of your entire video. The best part of Canvas, beyond just having a clear bird's-eye view of all your assets, which is a huge creativity booster, it seriously speeds up your workflow. You can forget about constant downloading and uploading. Everything stays right here, which is just amazing for staying in the flow. After you build your storyboard, you can generate your video in one click. But if you want to extend it, there's a little trick. Just grab a snapshot of the last frame and use it as a reference for the next one. I even grabbed another frame here to make sure my characters look consistent throughout the whole sequence.
They're on us.
Not my problem.
As previously mentioned, there's a dedicated agent mode designed to assist you throughout the process. Let's interact with it directly and ask it how it can optimize our workflow. You can also define your style, characters, and environments directly within the canvas to assist with video creation and maintain consistency. I have selected characters from previously generated videos to use as references for subsequent video sequences. To achieve this, I captured a specific frame and dragged it into the character creation interface, followed by inputting my prompt. I followed the same procedure for the male character from a different scene, and these are the resulting outputs. A technical recommendation: utilize the Copy to Canvas feature located in the corner to set character references, which reduces potential system errors. Furthermore, as this is the Seedance model, remember to include the @ symbol for all mentions within your video prompts. Ready to take your AI filmmaking to the next level? Head over to Topview Canvas, start building your first Storyboard first project. Let me know how these consistency tricks worked for you in the comments below.
Tonight, I decide the rules. You're late.
雨のガラスに映る顔、名前を捨てたまま歩く夜、ポケットの中は偽の鍵、口先だけじゃ開かないドア、監視の目をすり抜けて赤い印のついた封筒、裏通りの影に溶ける俺の足音だけが証拠。誰が見た、誰が消した、黒い画面に残る傷、息を止めて街を裂いて今夜だけは逃がさない。ネオンの証拠品、ネオンの証拠品、お前の嘘
不该在这里见到你，小鸟。
ネオンの証拠品、ネオンの証拠品、逃げ道まで燃え錆びてきたでなる受話器、切れた声がまだ呼ぶ、裏切りなら慣れてるさ、でも沈黙は金じゃない、白い手袋の後へと濡れた靴へと二人分、コインみたいに冷たい夜、吐いた言葉が刃になる、耳うろず包める距離、嘘の地図はもう破れた、最後に笑うのは誰だ、答えは壁に書いてある。誰が見た、誰が消した。
Thanks for sticking with me. I love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.